Hi everyone and welcome. In this video we will see how to install Node-RED in Banana Pi M4 Berry single board computer from the Banana Pi. So here on the camera you can see I have Banana Pi M4 Berry running Ubuntu operating system, okay, and I have connected this Wi-Fi and Bluetooth antenna to connect with my home Wi-Fi. So we want to install Node-RED in the Banana Pi M4 Berry so we can use this Banana Pi M4 Berry for our IoT application. Okay, so let's see how you can do that. So right now my Banana Pi M4 Berry is connected to my home network and I can log into my Banana Pi M4 Berry using SSH. So you can use the command SSH and then after username of your Banana Pi M4 Berry, which is root, and then after IP address 192.168.1.15. It will ask for the password, so you have to provide the password. I have set it as a tour, so I have provided it, and here we are into the terminal of the Banana Pi M4 Berry. Now we want to install the Node-RED. Okay, so if you directly try to run this command, okay, into the terminal, then you will get some error. Here you can see, sorry, cannot connect to internet, not going to touch anything. Okay, so using this command you cannot install Node-RED directly in the Banana Pi M4 Berry, which we have used in the many previous videos. Okay, because of the date issue. So if you run this command date in the Banana Pi M4 Berry, then here you can see Monday September 23rd. Okay, but the today's date is 1st December 2024, so the date is not matching with the current date, so that's why we are facing some issue. Okay, even if you use this command to install the Node-RED in the Banana Pi M4 Berry, then also you will be getting the error because of the date issue. So first of all we have to fix the date in the Banana Pi M4 Berry, and then after we can go for this method. Also we can try this method. Okay, so first of all we have to run this command. Okay, so I have pasted that command here. Then after we will restart the system. Okay, and third command is ntp update. Okay, okay, then after we will run this command, the third one. So we have successfully changed the time in the Banana Pi M4 Berry, which is now syncing with the universal time. Now we can ask for the date in the Banana Pi M4 Berry, and you will be getting today's date, Sunday, December 1st. Okay, now we can try to run this command to install the Node-RED. So I have copied this command. Okay, I have pasted it. We can hit enter. So we'll press Y here, and yeah, you can see this command is now working, which was not working previously because of the date issue. Okay, so we are really want to do this. Yes. Would you like to install the Pi specific node? Yes. Okay, and here you can see the Node-RED is getting installed step by step. Okay, so here you can see stop the Node-RED, remove old version of the Node-RED, remove old version of the Node.js. So it will cover the every steps. Okay, and then after it will install the Node-RED successfully in your Banana Pi M4 Berry, and then after you can use your Banana Pi M4 Berry for your IoT application to read the data from Modbus device, OPC device, BACnet device, okay, or any other device, and then you can do whatever you want to do. You can create a dashboard and you can use this as a IoT hub. Okay, so let's wait until this process get complete, and you can also use this set of command to install the Node-RED in your system. Okay, so if this command is not working in your system, then alternatively you can use this set of command. Okay, it will install the Node.js first, then after npm, then after Node-RED, and this is the command to run the Node-RED, and here is the command to add key into your Banana Pi M4 Berry so it can able to install Node.js and npm. Okay, so let's wait until all the steps gets done, and then after we will run the Node-RED in Banana Pi M4 Berry, and we will access the Node-RED using the IP address of Banana Pi M4 Berry. Okay, so Node-RED is successfully installed. Now you have to answer some question. So where you want to keep your Node-RED setting file? So we are going to keep the setting file here, okay, on this location. If you want to change the location, then you can change it. Then after you can press enter. Do you want to set up user security? No, as of now, I don't want to set up any user security. So I'll select no. Do you want to enable the project feature? No. So enter the name of your flow file. So flows.json, that is fine. Okay, we will hit enter again and we'll use the default theme or whatever it is. And again, default editor. Allow function node to load external modules. Yes. And here you can see setting file written to this location. And we have successfully installed Node-RED in our Banana Pi M4 Berry. Okay, so we have used this command to install the Node-RED in our Banana Pi M4 Berry, but you can also use this set of command to install the same Node-RED in your Banana Pi M4 Berry. Okay, now you can use this command to run the Node-RED. So you can just paste that command here and you can hit enter. Okay, here you can see welcome to the Node-RED. And here you can see server is now running at 127.0.0.1 colon 1880. So instead of this IP address 127.0.0.1, we can use the IP address of our Banana Pi M4 Berry, which is 192.168.1.15. So I can open the new private window here. Okay, I can type 192.168.1.15 and then 1880. Okay, here you can see welcome to Node-RED 4.0 and we can click on start and we can skip everything. Okay, and here is your Node-RED flow editor. Okay, so this is how you can install Node-RED in the Banana Pi M4 Berry. Okay, and the same way you can install Node-RED in the Banana Pi M4 Zero. Okay, so if you are trying to install the Node-RED in the Banana Pi M4 Zero, and if you are facing the problem, okay, while running this command, then first of all you have to set up the date, or you have to fix the date issue in your Banana Pi M4 Zero as well, okay, using this set of commands. So once you fix the date issue, you will be able to run the Node-RED installation command, okay, which is this one in your Banana Pi M4 Zero. Now let's meet in the future videos in which we will see how you can control Banana Pi M4 Berry GPIO using Node-RED. So here you can see we have a number of GPIOs with Banana Pi M4 Berry. Now I want to control these GPIOs with the Node-RED. Then how we can do that? Okay, so if you have Raspberry Pi, then there are already nodes created for the Raspberry Pi, but in case of Banana Pi, how you can do that? Okay, so that thing we are going to cover in the next video. So stay tuned for the future videos. Till then, take care, goodbye, and thank you.